What was it? It's heavy. Walter! Oh, look, he's right there. He's one on me. One on me, right above your head.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him, look at him.
I want
The nice one. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fish on. All right, so this past week's been a little bit of multi-species fishing. I fished a little bit in the Ottawa Gatineau area, a little bit of an Elmer. I had a day out with my daughter, ran into some furry little friends. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. I don't know, something coming up. Ah! Heavy. Look at that. Got ourselves a walleye. Jigging a tungsten jig. Look at that beauty. Go back in. Ooh, that's a nice perch. It's big. What up, little perch? Look at the red colors on that guy. Get back in there, little buddy. There you go. One perch. Back in. Walter! Good day, Walter! Yes, sir! Thank you for that eye. That's a nice one, too.
Got the eagle eye.
Are you gonna have a good time?
Yeah.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi to YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. I'm ready to go fishing. Ice fishing.
All right. High five. Let's put your clothes on.
Yep.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Ooh. Hopefully there's not too much snow
Yeah, but
over there.
too heavy.
No, we're good. Some parts will be harder than others. You're bringing a purse to go ice fishing?
Yeah.
What's in your purse?
Squishy.
Squishies.
Oh.
Maybe we can fish with the squishies?
No.
Oh, okay.
If you fish with the squishy, the squishy's gonna be dead.
Okay, just stay. Oh, look, he's right there. He's one on me. One on me, right above your head.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him.
I want
Put your hand up. No, stand up. You stand up. So you're the highest point. Here we go. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Put your hand up. That's crazy. Yo, we're like Snow White with the birdies there.
We saw birdies and it went on my hand.
Yeah?
And Dada's hand too.
And my shoulder too.
And the shoulder too.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
We're Snow White. You're Snow White, now I'm Dopey.
Dada, that way.
You want to go on the sled?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You good? Chilling, eh? Chilling? All right, let's get there. Gonna make a hole over here, and we're gonna try to get a big minnow on, and we're gonna leave it here for a big pike.
Come on over now and take my hand, wanna dance with you tonight. And I don't care who's watching us, no, you make me feel alright. I could show you everything that you like. I could show you how to like.
I got one. Got one. Look. Little perch. You want to touch him? It's frozen. Do you see the waterfalls?
Yeah. But one is moving, but one is not.
Yeah, it's because one of them's frozen from all the cold yesterday.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah, but one of them are moving and one of them are not.
Yep. We didn't catch him in the fish this day, but we had a blast. More of a daddy-daughter kind of day. Nice one. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fish on. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it's a big pike. Right. Look at that. Why not?
I've been here and I haven't gotten a fucking bite. You come around and fucking bam. Go somewhere else.
Stopped in at the marina for about 45 minutes and ended up landing this nice little pike. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe. Till next time.